Hi, I'm going to explain to you the rule of three. This won't take long. The rule of three is the principle that a list of three things sounds better to our ears than a list of some other number. That isn't always true. Apples and oranges sounds fine. North, east, south, and west is perfect just the way it is. But as a general rule, a list of three often sounds better. It's a form of parallel structure. For example, at the beginning of the Declaration of Independence are the words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. See how that has a quotable, memorable sound to it? It lands with a thump of finality. It's the rhythm that does it. 1, 2, and 3. It doesn't have to be a list of nouns, a list of things. In this quote, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. uses a list of adverbs. So segregation is not only politically, economically, and sociologically unsound, it is morally unsound and sinful. Do you hear how that list of adverbs, politically, economically, and sociologically, is really concise and emphatic? It's like the speakers pounding their fist on the table. A longer list, politically, economically, sociologically, and morally, might have allowed the rhetorical power to dissipate just a little bit. Finally, at the end of the Declaration of Independence is this phrase: we mutually pledge to each other our lives, our fortunes, and our sacred honor. Hear that? Our this, and our that. It's a list of three things in grammatically parallel structure, and if you want to know more about parallel structure, I made a separate video about that. Check it out. Okay, that's it. There you go. The rule of three.